Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday, and here's the answer key for yesterday's daily check-in. The problem was gasoline was 2.79. It's decreasing in price by 3% weekly. How much will gas cost in 6 weeks? Here's the setup. 2.79 was your starting value. We put that right here. Inside the parentheses, it's a decrease or decay problem. So we go 1 minus 0.03. Remember, we use that formula when we see a percentage. And this 6 represents the weeks. Now we plug that in our calculators and we get $2.32. Remember, you can go back and do any of the daily check-ins at any time during the week, because I know sometimes you may not have computer access on Monday and Tuesday. So you can go back and do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I'll mark you present that day for distance learning. So just remember, go back and do all your work. You've got a few things due. You've got every check-in Monday through Thursday. You've got 2 assignments, and I gave a quiz yesterday. Have a terrific, terrific Thursday. And remember, be safe.